How do you evaluate the technological possibilities of Astana in transport infrastructure development? What do you know about Astana and about transport sector in Astana?
It's my first time in Astana. I don't know more about Astana transport possibilities, but I see a very friendly city, very huge space, enough space for every system. You can do here, you have buses, but you can do also BRT, but maybe the best way for you is the LRT, the tramway system. It's most popular possibility for a mass transit in the world. I will have a presentation about LRT on the world on the conference. Oradea, when I'm from Romania, have a history more than 1 century of tram, and I can say you this history prove that LRT is the best possibility to organize the transport. The traffic management, a good planning, if you have an integrated mobility plan for the Astana, I think will help you to find the best solution for the traffic management in Astana for the public transport, because the public transport serves the people and the people will decide it's okay or not.
Okay, tell us about your tomorrow speech.
LRT around the world, that's my presentation which take a look about the LRT history, LRT development in the world. How I say, LRT have more than 1.5 century history. It have a golden age in 20th century, middle of the 20th century, but after that, the Second World War have a decline for tramway system. But I'm happy that in the 70s, 80s, more of the cities recognize that they need a mass transport, they need an ecological and technical improvement of tramway system. They built new system, they renew the old system. Now we have 388 cities in the world with tram system, with LRT. Most of them it's in Europe, but also in Asia we have. It's not specific for Latin America and Africa, but I think in the next period, in the next 10-20 years, everywhere in the world will be the most popular sector of the public transport.
What do you think, what are the perspectives for Astana in the public transport sector development?
Astana is growing day by day. The people here need public transport, need comfort, need a timesheet which it's perfect on those necessities which they have. I think first step, and I know you have it, is the urban mobility plan, an integrated traffic management plan. In this plan, the public transport need his important place. Which mode of transport you will have depends by the decision makers, but the professional like me can propose them the best solution. I think you have the chance to have one of the best public transport in Asia or all in the world if you want, because you grow now, you develop now, and the decision maker must recognize which will be the best decision for the future and not for tomorrow, for a decade, for a century.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Csuzi. I wish you nice days in Astana.
Thank you.